talking about me. I'm Anil Maharjan, and I am currently working as Senior BI Engineer in Ncell. I got a Microsoft Data Platform MVP for Nepal, and I got the experience, overall 10-year experience, and I currently working in telco industry. I got the experience in US healthcare data also. So I got when I got the free time, I used to speak, I used to blog, I used to research on the Microsoft Power BI platform mainly. So I got the opportunity to speak in different platforms like in SQLSaturday and also Power BI user groups and data summits, Microsoft Ignite Singapore, similarly on other different part of the world. So, and also I got opportunity to become the program community members for the PASS Summit 2014 and also the Data and BI Platform 2018, which were held on Dublin. And last year only, I got opportunity to become a Power Community track leader for Power BI on Power Platform Summit Australia 2019. Similarly, I was one of the organizing member for our local SQL Server User group, which is the Himalayan SQL Server User group, and we also the Global AI Bootcamp in Nepal. From last year onwards, we are organizing this Global AI Bootcamp also, and also I am a user group leader for Nepal Power BI user group, and also I got the opportunity to write one book, and I am among 21's MVP who used to write one book as a Power BI MVP book. So these are my LinkedIn and my blog post, and you can follow me on the Twitter also. So this is my MVP profile on the MVP link. So this is overall Nepal MVP. So currently we have 6 active MVP in Nepal in different platforms. There are 2 MVPs in the data platform, similarly 1 developer technology in 1 MVP, and Microsoft Azure 2 MVP, and Office and App Service 1 MVP. So 1 MVP is from, I think he's in Dublin, so he's out of the country Nepal, among the active MVP from Nepal. And I think most of the that means attendee knows what's MVP, and if you want to understand what exactly the MVP, then you can refer to this particular link, go to this link, and where you can easily see who are MVP and what is the MVP award and what does it takes to be an MVP and how you can become an MVP. You can clearly go to that link, and there is in different sector, there is another that is links, so you can just click on that link and go to those links and explore by your own also. So this is MVP award categories, where you can see, firstly you have to think on which sector you want to contribute more towards the community. Like if you are expertise in any sector of this category area, then you can contribute towards the community and do volunteering works also. Then you can track down whatever your contribution or whatever interested in platform, or that means which category you are more interested, just focus on that and contribute more towards that particular platform. So I was nominated for the data platform, so where I used to contribute more towards on the data platform, and I can share my experience by just going to the link itself. Just a minute. So back on 2010, I started working as that BI developer, where I need to learn from most of the Microsoft BI stacks like SQL Server reporting services, SQL Server analysis services, and SSIS, SSRS, SSAS, and SQL. Back on that days, 2010, those are the BI stack, we can say. So I used to work on that platform and do research by my own, and whatever I research, I used to post in a blog, and also I used to contribute in this MSDN forum where different that means developers or different users used to ask the questions and issues, we can say, while working. So if any, you can see like this. So if you got the idea on different that means particular question, then you can go to that task and then do that. Means if any issue you know to solve, then you can contribute here. Also, similarly, you can write whatever the research you did, you can write into the TechNet, social TechNet blog post in the Microsoft itself, like I did in the last 2017, back on 2017, whatever I researched, I used to blog and I used to post in this Microsoft social TechNet site also. And similarly, I have my own blog post like this Anil Maharjan BI WordPress.com, and another is maharjananil.com.mp. So what I'm trying to say here is whatever you do research or whatever you find out, this will be the helpful to the others who is looking for the same task. Then you can post in the as a blog, or you can contribute, you can help to others. So you can see I have written in these different topics. You can go to this link also. Whatever you while working, you can go to any particular links and see if any task is related to you while doing work, then it can be helpful to you. So this is the thing. And once you contribute this all the things and whatever you post in the blogs, so you should keep a record in any Excel format. Like this is the category you can contribute while nominating in MVP. So these are the particular topics that is Microsoft will be looking after. So you can track down whatever that means you do, whatever you share with the team or whatever you do in the for the community. You can track one list or make one Excel also, so that it can be useful while that means nominating you as a MVP for the future. So these is the things that I did back on 2016. So, but what I'm trying to say here is never stop learning and never stop contributing towards the community. You shouldn't follow towards the MVP award. That means the award should follow you when you are, that means enough contributing to the community forums. Then that means don't go that means following to the awards. That's what I'm trying to say here. So once you these all the list so basically what you need to do is you need to contribute the code to, that means any projects, any GitHub. You can refer to the Microsoft GitHub, that means links, whatever you want to contribute to the codes also. And you also start to publicly engage in our community events, like we are doing different user groups we have, and we are doing meetups in regular basis. So you can come to join in our, that means user groups, and try any topics you are interested or any new things you have in your mind. Then you can collaborate and then share towards the user groups. Also and then like I said, you can go to the MSDN forum. It helps each others, and you can start your own writing on blogging and publishing. Also, that means these are the different things you should be doing. So track your contribution and make list, that means list of whatever you are doing activities. Then that means we are the MVP, so we will know that means if you are interested in particular domain, then collaborate with the MVP who is that means in that your particular category. Then we will be nominating you, and once we see if you are, that means eligible, that means we couldn't say eligible, just start contributing more and more, then automatically you will be nominated, and that means you will be awarded it. So don't stop your contribution towards the community, which will help to make better Microsoft family. That's it from my side. This is one of Nepal Power BI user groups where you can join this group also and start exploring. And we will, yeah, this is a group where we used to meet up along with the Himalayan SQL Server users groups. Combinedly, we are working together and meeting up on a quarterly basis. So besides that, then once you become MVP, you got a different opportunity. Like you can go to different platforms and different sector where you can speak, where you can share your knowledge. And I got opportunity back on 2018 to go to the Data and BI Summit in Dublin, where I'm able to meet with the different, that means people in the Microsoft Power BI platform, who are the Microsoft developer itself on the Microsoft Power BI side, and these are the from all the MVPs around the world who have, like we can say, you are meeting, you got opportunity to meet with your ideal people, you can say, whom you are following, whom books you are reading. That's the opportunity here. So it's good experience. So yeah, that's it from my side. Jack?
Thank you, Anil sir.
Yeah.
So I have one question that so after you have become the MVP, so what are the opportunities you have got? So you are also doing your job right in a reputed company, but besides that, what are the extra opportunities which you have got in after becoming MVP?
Yeah. Like I said, never stop learning and researching and contributing towards the community. Back on 2010, used to work on US Healthcare, one of the company. And at that time, I used to work with all the Microsoft products. That is back on 2010 to 2013, 14, I used to fully engage in the Microsoft products and doing research, and that means sharing the knowledge. But when I shifted my company, I got lag behind with the Microsoft products, but I didn't stop learning by myself and contributing more towards the communities. That's how I got the opportunity to become as a data platform MVP from Nepal. And once after I became the MVP, I got, like you can see, like I got the opportunity to speak in different platforms. That means different global summits, like data platform summits, Microsoft Ignite Singapore summits, and last year only on Power Platform Summit Australia. So you can explore more towards the other colleagues who are from different part of the world, and you can meet up with the people around the world. And also one of the best part is to join in the Microsoft product development team interaction sessions. That's the main best part. That means before coming any tools or any products, any features you can say in the products, you are able to see and you are able to do the testing and use that features by first hand, and you can give the feedbacks to the Microsoft core development team. And then what I'm trying to say is you are contributing your knowledge and resource to making the product of the Microsoft tool itself. That's what opportunity you will get. That's a quite good opportunity I need to say. And beside that, then you can go to different conference events. You can meet up with different people, different MVPs around the world. You got a quite good experience. And similarly, I got opportunity to write one of the book, like Power BI MVP book, where this is the book, which is already in one of the best selling book in Power BI in Amazon. You can go and see. So it's only our dream that you should write one book in your own. I haven't think that I will be able to write one particular book by myself. That's what opportunity you will be getting from MVP. That's it.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thanks for your insightful knowledge about the MVP. So hopefully the attendee has got lots of information about the community work also.